welcome guys, welcome back to another episode of Rocket League Seasons. And this is episode 3 against, I actually forgot to read the name, but I read it last episode. Oh yeah, the Express. So start off with a field. Okay, no guys, I'm not going to do trick shots now. I need to stop doing trick shots. Let's get those XPs. Like every couple of videos. So this video will just be me trying to get goals constantly. The next video will probably be me just messing around and doing trick shots sometimes. And then kind of like that type of pattern. So this is the goals. This is the goals episode. So if you guys want to see, kind of, if you don't like me just getting loads of goals for an episode, then click on to the next episode, or if you haven't watched the episode before, click on it, because it was kind of a mess around episode, because I got 10 goals last episode, with quite a lot of them kind of not, okay, now this is kind of a trick shot type thing. Well, it's not really trick shots, guys. It's just like, if I don't get a goal in their first, like if I don't get a goal in my first shot, like, because sometimes I don't, that's what happened just right now, so now I need to keep trying to get the ball and bring it to his goal. No, didn't make it, didn't get it. It's going too fast. No, why did I jump? Why did I jump? Oh, yes! Never mind, he scored for me. Whee! And guys, I won't be looking at the replays in this video. I only looked at the replays in some videos as well. I missed it. Whee! Guys, right now I'm on level 14 semi-pro, so hopefully I can level, no, got it. Okay, now hopefully he doesn't get it. Oh, he got it, but he pushed it in the wrong area. It's meant to go in my goal, not your goal. No! I failed. No, I couldn't even reach it. No, wait, what? Oh, no, you didn't. He thought, oh, he's got a big car, so he'll be able to push around. Yeah. No. Did I get that? Oh! Okay, I'm gonna look at that replay, guys. I hit, and then it bounces off, and then I hit it like that. Okay. Pretty good shot. Boing. Step up your game, Tusk. He's as slow as an elephant, that's why he's got a big car. Cause Tusk, no, he saved it. I done the wrong strategy. Okay, what? Missed. Come on, get to it. Oh no! No! Where is it? It's over there. Tusk? No! I thought he hit it, so I went to the other side kind of a little bit. Yeah. Where? Okay, he hit it. Go away. There's a bicycle hit. Did that go in? No, it didn't. I was close. No, I don't want it to go to my side. There. Back on control. He's not getting the control. Did he get the control? No, he didn't. Still on control of the ball. No! Okay, I'm still kind of on control. He's half on control now. Oh, I'm on control. I'm on control. And score. 10-0. Whee! And he just gets blown up. He goes for it, but no, he dies. No! That was such a fail. No, that was the biggest mistake I've done in a while. Well, not the biggest, but I think that's the biggest mistake I've made this season, though. I mean, yeah, season. Series and season. Whatever you want to call it. No! Why, you got the ball. It's my ball. I bought it. I bought this game, that means this ball's mine. You're a computer player. You're not allowed my ball. Hit it off. No! Guys, I know this is kind of like FIFA and all that kind of stuff because it's obviously with football and stuff. But guys, I probably wouldn't play FIFA for a series because I'm not the biggest fan of football, but I kind of like this game a lot because it's fun. It's fun. On Roblox, I like Kickoff, which is a pretty good football game, but then FIFA wouldn't be my favorite type of game to make for a series. No, I thought it was gonna go. I knew it was gonna go not in the goal, like, but I thought it was gonna go just a little bit more to where I was, but I was completely wrong. I went like the exact opposite direction. Oh, no way. No! Right, at least I got the boost. I stopped him dead in his tracks. Hit it, but he stopped me dead in his tracks. Get out! I need to get the 5-second goal. No, I can't. Never mind. 11-0, guys. That's that episode, so I didn't really get as much goals as I hoped. So, Pizza Hopper. 11-0. So, the next episode will be against the Monarchs for week 4 out of 27 weeks, and then also the playoffs. So guys, if you liked it, make sure to hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.